So we got the Fitbit Versa 3, and if you guys are familiar with my channel, I had the Fitbit Sense a couple months ago, and I was extremely disappointed with it. I was so hyped with all the added health functions, the skin temperature, the stress sensor, EDA sensor, ECG, built-in GPS, yada yada, and I was highly disappointed because, well, it didn't match up to my Apple Watch, and some of y'all got mad because I didn't have a polar chest strap or something to, make sure the accuracy is on point, something to measure the metrics against. So I don't have a chest strap still, and I'm still using the Apple Watch as a gold standard because based off all the other reviews, such as DeskFit, DC Rainmaker, Quantified Scientists, they all deemed the Apple Watch as pretty much the gold standard for heart rate, wrist-based heart rate sensors. So take that with a grain of salt, but this is the Fitbit Versa 3, and it should have Fitbit OS 5.1.11. So it should have Google Assistant now enabled, the speakers should be working, and hopefully everything is all good. Hopefully they updated their heart rate sensor because I was highly disappointed. But let's get into the unboxing. So I'm not really too great with unboxing. Sometimes I tend to destroy products. So, and with me potentially needing to return this if I'm still not satisfied with the updates, well, I don't know. But here's a little, yeah. So we're gonna unbox this now, and I am not that great with unboxing, so hopefully I don't tear up too much, but let me be quiet real quick and put this up to the mic because I know some of y'all like this. Yeah, I think I got most of the tape off. Or the tape that I need to get off. Alright, so we got that out of there. Here's the box. We're going to open it up. And there it is. Just like the Fitbit Sense unboxing, the Fitbit Versa 3 unboxing is pretty similar. So, I'm going to take this out. We're going to peel. Here's the Versa 3. It's already on, it looks like. So we're going to follow that arrow. Well, I'm not going to follow the arrow. It makes sounds. Alright, there it is, the Versa 3. Very nice AMOLED screen. That's one of the nice things I liked about the Fitbit Sense. It has a nice, very bright and vivid AMOLED screen compared to the Versa 2. It does have the speakers. It does have that pulse ox, updated pulse ox sensor. It's got the silicone band. And I will be ordering a nylon band just because my Apple Watch Series 6 has a nylon band, and I really like the material on that. Silicone tends to burn my skin, and I'm hoping the Fitbit Versa 3 doesn't burn my skin like the Fitbit Sense did. So here's how it looks. Nice and clean. Might get a screen protector because I don't want to scratch it up. But the only thing I never liked about the Fitbit Sense was this haptic button. You can't see it because there's not a real button, but it's a haptic touch. I don't even know where it is. Nope, here it is. It's haptic. So there's no real physical buttons anymore. It's one of the downsides, but it does have a speaker, so I'm gonna stop showing off the Fitbit and get to what else is in the box. What else is in the box? Let's see, you get a quick start guide. Comes the charger that it comes with. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot better than the previous Versa 2 where it had a really ugly looking cradle. I think I have to peel this back. Alright, so you get your cradle, USB. There it is. Nice and sleek. I like the design. Then you have your other sized style band. So we're gonna close all this up. We're gonna get the Fitbit started up, and hopefully I have a better experience with the updated software in the Versa 3. And the reason why I got the Versa 3 instead of rebuying the Sense is because I don't need the stress sensor. I don't need it. I find it's useless, and I don't need the ECG thing because I mean, I'm sure my heart's gonna be fine. I'm pretty young and I run a lot, and I do still have my Apple Watch Series 6. I'm very curious about my ECG. So we're going to set this up now, and we'll put you through a setup walkthrough, and then I'll have an updated video on comparing it with the Apple Watch Series 6. I'm going to go on a run, do some strength training, all other fun stuff, and I'll have some updated metrics that I'll show you guys. So let's just walk through this together, setting up on the iPhone. Alright, so now we're in the Fitbit app and we got this Mother's Day sale going on, and I did take advantage of this sale, but not for Mother's Day, for myself, because I'm selfish. Just kidding, no one didn't want a Fitbit. But anyway, moving along. So we're going to exit out of this ad, and we're going to connect our Fitbit, set up a device, Versa 3, set up, accept whatever is there, let it charge. I think it's charged enough. It's going to be searching, Versa 3 is found, it's going to be connecting, and there's going to be your 4-digit display on here. The screen brightness is way high. What are we gonna do? Increase our shutter speed. Alright, so y'all can see that now. Cool. So I'm gonna get 4 digits. We got, it's 9991. So we're gonna type 9991. It's gonna connect to the Fitbit. I would lay this flat on the table, but I don't know if you guys are gonna see it that well. Yeah, I can't really zoom in, so I'm gonna bring this up. So Bluetooth request comes up. Pair. Versa 3 display iPhone notifications. Yes. Detect your new device. There's drop, spills, cracked screens. Not now, maybe later. So we're gonna set up the Wi-Fi. Hopefully this thing's not as slow as it used to be. Alright, we got our Wi-Fi networks. Now I gotta put in the password for this, so give me a minute. Alright, so we got the password put in. Now we're connecting. Any moment now. It's one thing that I don't miss about Fitbit is its connectivity issues. It may not have anything to do with the Wi-Fi, but it has always been slow when it comes to connections, when it comes to Bluetooth, GPS, Wi-Fi. Alright, we got connection. Next, now start your update. This process will take several minutes to complete. Alright, so we got advanced exercise features. Built-in voice assistant. We got Google and Alexa. Cool. We have advanced exercise features, built-in GPS, active tracking zones, heart rate notifications high and low, 20+ exercise modes, smart track. Smart features can be connected, music experience, notifications, sleep tracking and sleep score. So, I mean, that's all fine and dandy. Pay from wrists, that Fitbit Pay. Take calls from your wrist, and I imagine this is only on Android because you know how strict iOS is. So right now it's downloading, it's at 28%, so I'll be right back when it's done, and then we'll continue the walkthrough. Alright, so we are done with the setup, so we're going to continue. It's going to talk about voice privacy, built-in microphone, blah blah blah. Connect to Amazon and Alexa, so I'm going to connect to my Google account. We're going to have to activate the assistant. Now it's connecting. I don't know how long it's going to keep connecting. So we're going to wait a little bit. Alright. Connect Fitbit to Google Assistant. Linked. Agree. Now bear in mind, last time I checked, Google Assistant does not actually talk to you. So only Alexa does. So bear that in mind. So we're going to turn on Google Assistant. Assistant's ready. It's set. Onerous calls. Go to Bluetooth on the phone. Go to settings, Bluetooth on your phone. Connect Versa 3 controls from other devices. There we go. So we're going to do that. Go to Versa 3. and share systems and notifications. So, with that being said, I don't think you can use the Versa 3 for voice calls. So, yeah, we go to settings, Bluetooth on phone, connect Versa 3 from other devices list. Reconnect. Okay, so we're gonna go to forget this device, then reconnect and see what happens. Oh, wait. Versa 3 controls, there it is. So we're gonna pair. So I think I'll be able to take phone calls on there. I don't know. We'll find out soon, I guess. So on-risk calls is set, looks like. Your phone nearby, easily silence calls. I don't know. I don't think you could do that on iOS. I'll have to test that out. You have your SPO2. This update allows you to install SPO2 app from the gallery view. See your nighttime SPO2 values. In Versa 3, you need to install one of our SPO2 clock faces. Charging band, blah blah blah. We're gonna always allow. Tells you how to wear the watch. Tells you how to use the watch. Swipe down for notifications. Swipe up for your workout widgets, your weather widgets, core stats, advanced stats, heart rate, sleep stats, all that fun stuff. Swipe right for your quick settings. Swipe left for your exercise, your timer, your today, your music, your Spotify, your Deezer, your Pandora, all that stuff. Press the side button, which is right there. Press once to go back. Press and hold for 2 seconds for shortcut features, such as voice assistant or payments. Double press, blah blah blah. Wear and care, clean your band, blah blah blah, so you don't get any little skin marks or burns. And you're all set. Then we're done. And then we're gonna do the monthly premium, because why not? That's one thing that sucks about Fitbit is the monthly premium, because you can't access all your data without paying for Fitbit Premium. It's only $9.99. It's not bad, but still better than the Bootstraps, $30 a month. So now we're connected. So I'll update you guys later on throughout the week, maybe next week, or actually not even next week, in the next couple of days or a day or two. I'll come back with an update comparing some metrics with the Apple Watch Series 6. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, stay tuned for more. Until then, peace.